In 2007, after 2 years of fertility issues, pregnancy complications, and a dangerously premature birth, a miracle came into our home. A second son, who we named Aaron. The moment that Eric laid eyes upon Aaron, he told me that this was his baby. And even though Eric was only 2 at the time, he stayed true to his word. The two became inseparable, and together they grew, and they loved each other. They were always together, and the absolute affection that Eric had for Aaron has never faltered. He could always be found comforting his brother or encouraging him to try something new. Eric constantly watched out for his baby brother, always included him, and they shared everything, especially a passion for learning about natural sciences. They do everything together. But one day, something happened that would change things between them. Eric broke his arm on the school playground. The compound fractures would require not only emergency surgery, but several follow-up procedures that were invasive and scary. I did my best to console him, but to my surprise, his baby brother stepped up and offered him comfort in a way that even I couldn't. Aaron stayed by Eric's side throughout the entire exhausting ordeal. He would take care of Eric, and even feed him when the pain and medications made it difficult for him to coordinate his movements. The dynamic slowly shifted. Aaron became more affectionate towards his brother, and would pet his hair, as we call it, the same way that Eric had done to him for so many years. They were becoming more than just a little brother and a big brother. They were also becoming friends. They are brothers who are the best of friends, and they are the most wonderful, caring young men that I have ever known. And I am blessed to call them my sons.